Can't find your iPhone and not sure how to locate it? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen iPhone using the Apple Find My system. Now let's get started. To find a missing iPhone, use your computer or a friend's device to go to icloud.com/find and log in to the same Apple ID account that you use on the iPhone you're trying to locate. Then click All Devices. Select the device you're trying to find. Once you've selected your iPhone, you'll be able to see on the map where it's located. On the left, you'll be able to see when the location was last updated and the device's battery level. You can click Play Sound to force your iPhone to make a noise to help you locate it. Or put it into Lost Mode to lock your device and prevent anyone from accessing your personal information. You can also display a message on the screen so anyone who may have found the device can get in touch with you. As a last resort, you can erase the device if you don't think you'll be able to get it back and don't want anyone who may have found or stolen it to be able to access any of your information. Hopefully, using all of these tools, you'll be able to locate your missing iPhone. If you're missing an item with an AirTag attached to it, check out this tutorial to learn how to find it. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.